Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to go to guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys Wi-Fi network share setting, how to share Wi-Fi mobile to mobile and how to use Wi-Fi setting. In this video friends, one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click your Wi-Fi setting and turn on Wi-Fi. After turn on Wi-Fi friends, you can see this type interface. So first of all, connect any Wi-Fi network, and already you have connected direct friends, you can share Wi-Fi network without any problem. So friends, first I will connect one network, and friends I have Mukesh Wi-Fi. After connect network friends, which phone friends you want to connect this network, open Wi-Fi setting. After on Wi-Fi setting friends, click here scanner, and friends click here tap to share password, and when scan QR code, and when you can join any Wi-Fi network with QR code, and you can share any Wi-Fi network with Redmi mobile to any Android phone device. Scan QR code in the frame, and when you can see Wi-Fi will connect automatic without enter any password. We can use this Wi-Fi on second device. So guys, I will on YouTube app. So like that friends, we can share Wi-Fi mobile to mobile. So I hope you understood how to share Wi-Fi network Redmi phone to any Android phone device. And guys, if you forget, so Wi-Fi will connect on this phone, and you don't want to use Wi-Fi network, you can disconnect, and you want to share, so you can share. You want to forget, after forget you cannot use this Wi-Fi network. You want to, you will have to enter password again, and direct press again, click here, scan QR code, and you can join Wi-Fi network with QR code, and you can share Wi-Fi network Redmi mobile to any Android phone device. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.